Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Have you finished your pledge, ma? Thank you. Now my pledge. நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் சகோதரியாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் சகோதரியாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் சகோதரியாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். Be safe in your home, ma. Next see example 2.10. What is it? Example 2.10. The first question. Find the following. Find the following. First one. Modulus of 2 plus I divided by minus 1 plus 2i. What is it? Modulus of 2 plus I divided by minus 1 plus 2i. And the second question. Modulus of 1 plus I the whole bar into 2 plus I 3i into 4i minus 3. What is it? Modulus of 1 plus I the whole bar into 2 plus 3i into 4i minus 3. And the third question is modulus of I into 2 plus I the whole cube divided by 1 plus I the whole square. What is the third question? Modulus of I into 2 plus I the whole cube divided by 1 plus I the whole square. Now see the solution. Now see the solution. First one. What is first question? Modulus of 2 plus I divided by minus 1 plus 2i. Find it the value of modulus 2 plus I divided by minus 1 plus 2i. So modulus of 2 plus I divided by minus 1 plus 2i, which is equal to, write it in separate modulus because we know the property modulus z1 by z2, which can be written as modulus z1 divided by modulus z2. Okay, now write it here. Modulus 2 plus I divided by modulus minus 1 plus 2i. Then modulus 2 plus I means take it as square root. So square root of real part squared. Here real is 2 and imaginary part is 1. So 2 square plus 1 square divided by here square root of minus 1 the whole square plus 2 square. This is equal to square root of 2 squared is 4 plus 1 squared is 1 divided by square root of minus 1 squared is plus 1 plus 2 squared is 4. Square root of 4 plus 1 is 5. Denominator square root of 1 plus 4 is, it is also 5. So we can write it as square root of 5 divided by square root 5. Now we cancel this term, root 5, root 5. Finally we got it 1. Finally we got it 1. So what's the value? Modulus of 2 plus I divided by minus 1 plus 2i is 1. Okay. Now see the second sum. What is the second sum? Second sum is modulus of 1 plus I the whole bar into 2 plus 3i into 4i minus 3. Now modulus of 1 plus I whole bar into 2 plus 3i into 4i minus 3, which is equal to, first write it here, 1 plus I bar can be written as, take it a bar means changing imaginary, positive means negative, negative means positive. So here imaginary part is plus 1. So it changed into minus 1. Okay. So now 1 minus I. Got you understand, Rama? Yes. Into 2 plus 3i into 4i minus 3. Okay. Next, which is equal to, first write it separate modulus for this, because we know that one rule, modulus of z1 into z2 into etc. zn, which can be written as modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 etc. modulus of zn. Now write it here separate modulus. So modulus of 1 minus I into modulus of 2 plus 3i into modulus of 4i minus 3. Now modulus mean taking square root. Real part is 1. Imaginary part is minus 1. So 1 square plus of minus 1 the whole square into square root of, here real part is, what is it, Rama? Yeah, 2. Imaginary is plus 3 or minus 3? Yeah, plus 3. So now 2 square plus 3 square into, here real part is, yeah, 4. So 4 squared. Here plus or minus, ma'am? Yeah, minus. Am I right? No. Why? Yeah, here plus. Here imaginary part is only minus 3. So write it imaginary minus 3 the whole square. Okay. Here always positive values. Imaginary only the negative. Which is equal to square root of 1 squared is 1 plus minus 1 the whole squared. This is also 1 into square root of 2 squared is 4 plus 3 squared is 9 into 4 squared is 16 minus 3 squared is plus 9. Now it is equal to square root of 2 into 4 plus 9 is, yeah, 13 into square root of 16 plus 9 is 24. Am I right? No. So what's the value? 16 plus 9. Yeah, 25. Which is equal to square root of 2 into 13. So we can write it as square root of 2 into square root of 13 can be written as square root of 2 into 13, because we know the property square root of a into square root of b, we can be write it as square root of ab. Already we have studied in the 9th standard. Square root of a into square root of b can be written as square root of ab into square root of 25 values 5, which is equal to 2 into 13 is 26. Here 5. So 5 into root 26. That is the answer. What is the left hand side, Amma? Modulus of 1 plus I whole bar into 2 plus 3i into 4i minus 3, which is equal to, we got 5 into square root of 26. 5 into square root of 26. Are you sleepy, ma'am? No. Okay. Now see the third sum, Kana. What is the third sum? Say it, Amma. See and say. Yeah, modulus of I into 2 plus I divided by 1 plus I the whole square. What is it? Modulus of I into 2 plus I the whole cube here divided by 1 plus I the whole square. Okay. Given sum is modulus of I into 2 plus I the whole cube divided by 1 plus I the whole square, which is equal to, so write it modulus separately. Modulus I into 2 plus I the whole cube divided by modulus 1 plus I the whole square. Okay. Now write it separate modulus here. Modulus I into modulus of 2 plus I the whole cube divided by, here write it as modulus of 1 plus I the whole square, which is equal to, now here 2 plus I the whole cube, write it as the whole power 3. Here also the whole power is 2. So modulus of I value is 1. Why modulus of I value is 1? Because modulus of I is equal to square root of 0 square plus 1 square, which is equal to square root of 1 square, which is equal to 1. So modulus I is equal to 1. Next, it can be written as modulus 2 plus I the whole power 3 divided by modulus 1 plus I the whole square, which is equal to, now take it a square for this. So 1 into square root of 2 squared is 4 plus imaginary part of coefficient is here 1. So 1 squared, that is 1 divided by, here square root of 1 squared is 1 plus here 1 squared 1. Here power 3. So write it here power 3. Here power 2. So write it here 2. Which is equal to square root of 4 plus 1 the whole cube divided by square root of 1 plus 1 the whole squared, which is nothing but square root of 5 cube divided by square root of 2 square. Am I right? Now here square and root get cancelled. Finally we got 2 only. In the numerator, square root of 5 the whole cube. It can be written as square root of 5 the whole cube. What is that? Square root of 5 the whole cube divided by 2. Here square root of 5 the whole cube can be written as 5 the whole power 3 by 2, because root 5 means 5 power 1 by 2. Here root 5 the whole cube. So 5 power 1 by 2 the whole power 3. Okay. So we can write it as 5 power 3 by 2 by 2. 5 power 3 by 2 is nothing but, we can write it as 5 power 1 by 2 into 5 power 1. Denominator are same. Am I right? So add the powers. Here base are same. Here base are same. So add the powers. So 5 power 1 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 5 power 1 by 2 plus 1. Take an LCM. 1 into 2. 2. 2 plus 1. 3. So 3 by 2. So 5 power 3 by 2 can be written as 5 power 1 by 2 into 5. Am I right? So it can be written as 5 power 1 by 2 into 5 power 1 divided by 2. This is equal to 5 power 1 by 2 is nothing but root 5. 5 power 1 is 5 divided by 2. So it can be written as 5 root 5 by 2. 5 root 5 by 2. What is LHS? LHS is nothing but modulus of I into 2 plus I the whole cube divided by 1 plus I the whole square. Do you understand, ma'am?